Hi boys and girls, we're ready for another OG lesson. So let's take a look at some words to review. I see we have our ANG that says ang, ANK, ank. Our suffix, our vowel suffix, ED, that means in the past. And remember, if our base word ends in a T or D, it says id. If it doesn't, it's going to sound like a D or T. Our ING, there's our ED again. And our silent E, let's get started. You can read these with me or echo me. Hang, our base word rested, our base word grabbed, our base word jumping, break, our base word swelled, our base word switched, our base word resting, and bank. Let's read these again a little bit smoother now. You read them at the same time as me. Hang, rested, grabbed, jumping, break, swelled, switched, resting, bank. Now, how did we know how to read the ED on these words? If it doesn't end in a T or a D, then we know that ED says D or T, grabbed, swelled, all right? So only read it as the id if it ends in a T or D. Let's read these one more time if you like doing your e-learning at home. Hang, rested, grabbed, jumping, break, swelled, switched, resting, bank. Can you read these again in your best first grade reading voice? Be loud, I can hear you. Hang, rested, grabbed, jumping, break, swelled, switched, resting, bank. So I'm thinking of a word, and it's an action word. It's what you do with your clothes so that you don't leave them on the floor, your backpack or your coat. You hang them up. I'm thinking of a word, and it's on a car or a bike. It's a thing that makes you stop. It's the brake. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a synonym for hopping. Another word for hopping is jumping, an action. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a place. It's a noun that you save your money at. You put your money in. It's called the bank, right? I'm thinking of a word, and it's another word for trade. If you trade with someone in the past, you switched, right? All right, you shout the word out before I exit out. Swelled, resting, rested, bank, jumping, break, hang, grabbed, switched. Good. Now we have something new to learn today. It's another vowel suffix. It comes at the end of the word, starts with a vowel, so we call it a vowel suffix. And remember, a vowel or a suffix is a letter or letters at the end of the word that alters the meaning. So this is ER, and it says and it means more than, or it can make something be a person or a thing, like in bigger or faster, or it could be a person like a teacher, a worker. See how I added that at the end? Or it can be a thing like a toaster. Okay, so ER suffix means more, or it can be a person or a thing. So let's check out some of these words. And now look, here's my vowel suffix at the end. And remember, we have two consonants between our vowel and our suffix, and our vowel and our base word. That means our vowel is short. So these are all short vowel sounds. They're going to say their sound, okay? Because here's our vowel suffix, and we have two consonants between our vowels. So that means we're saying the sound of the vowel, the short sound, not the name. Okay, So you can read these with me or echo me. So our base word, big-er, bigger. Our base word, thin-er, thinner. Our base word, thick-er, thicker, it's more thick. Our base word, tall-er, taller, you're more taller than someone else. Our base word, wet-er, wetter. Our base word, soft-er, softer. Our base word, quick-er, quicker. Our base word, fast-er, faster. Our base word, small-er, smaller. So see, we have the two consonants that come between our two vowels, and it makes this vowel short, like ah, or it, or ah, or eh. We're saying this sound. So let's read these a little bit smoother, stronger, like when we read. Bigger, thinner, thicker, taller, wetter, softer, quicker, faster, smaller. So that that ER vowel suffix means more than. So smaller, you're more smaller than someone else. Or it can mean a person. Teacher, toaster, if it's a thing. All right, so it can mean three things. More than, a person, or a thing. Let's read these words again. If you are excited about the weekend. Do you like having Saturday and Sunday off? Here we go. Bigger, thinner, thicker, taller, wetter, softer, quicker, faster, smaller. Good. Our vowel suffix at the end, a new suffix. Let's read these one more time in your most strongest first grade voice. Bigger, thinner, thicker, taller, wetter, softer, quicker, faster, smaller. All right, this time you try to read the word before I exit out. Thicker, quicker, thinner, wetter, faster, bigger, taller, smaller, softer. Good. We're going to practice those. All right, let's get our paper out. Write me the lowercase letters, and it's a vowel suffix, and it means in the past. We already did it, and it has three sounds, id, d, or t. Remember, it's that ed we've been working on. Write me the lowercase letters that say ang, as in fang. That chunk that goes together, A-N-G says ang. Write me the lowercase letters that say ing, as in king. Can be part of a word. I-N-G says ing. Write me the lowercase letters that say all, as in ball. A-L-L. Write me the lowercase letters that say j, as in bridge. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, j is spelled D-G-E. Write me the lowercase letters that say ink, as in wink. I-N-K says ink. Write me the lowercase letters that say A, as in cake. A, consonant E, A. Write me the lowercase letters. It's a vowel suffix, and it means more than one. And we add it when a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z. Add ES, and you'll please me, like boxes or brushes. Write me the lowercase letters that say I, as in bike. I, consonant E, I. Write me the lowercase letter that says it, as in itch, just an I. Write me the lowercase letters that say ink, as in sank. Remember, those 3 letters go together. A-N-K says ink. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch, as in catch. At the end of a 1-syllable word after one short vowel, ch is spelled T-C-H. All right, let's get ready to practice our words. Our first word is spelled think, ink. 2 sounds, 5 letters. And then ink, as in wink, I-N-K. T-H-I-N-K, think. Our next word is save, save. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. Save. A consonant E. Save. Our next word is snack. Snack. 4 sounds, but 5 letters. I hear that k. Snack. At the end of a 1-syllable word after one short vowel, k is spelled C-K because we have that ah sound. Our last word is cute. Cute. Ooh, how do we get that U sound? K. It's a roundy C because we have that roundy U. Cute. That's not cute. How do we get the U? U consonant E. Cute. Let's go back and read together. Think, save, snack, cute. Now out of our diamond, we're working on that new vowel suffix. ER says ER says ER. ER says ER. And it means more, like bigger, more bigger, more big. Or it can be a person or a thing, like teacher or toaster. Comes at the end of the word. Let's flip our paper over and practice. So our first word, let's do the base word first. Our word we're writing is faster, but our base word is fast. Fast. 4 sounds, 4 phonemes. So you might say, I am fast, but my friend is faster. That means more. You're comparing to more fast. Faster. Our ER says er. Our next word, softer. So our base word is soft. Soft. Ooh, I hear 4 sounds. Soft. So you might say that pillow is soft, but this other one is softer. Add your ER says That means it's more softer than the other one. You're comparing to softer. We're not going to do 3 and 4, so let's go back and read. Faster, softer. All right, we have a brand new memory word. Looks like this. P-A-R-T. Says part. I would like part of that pizza, please. I would like a small part. Or maybe you get a part in a play. Let's skywrite. P-A-R-T says part. P-A-R-T says part. P-A-R-T says part. Let's spell it out loud as we write it. P-A-R-T says part. P-A-R-T says part. P-A-R-T says part. P-A-R-T says part. Let's skywrite 2 more times. P-A-R-T says part. P-A-R-T says part. Can you do it without looking? And then we'll check. All right. P-A-R-T says part. Do you remember how to spell that word may? Like you may go outside. It has that A-Y that says A. M-A-Y says may. What about the word come? It looks like the word some. There's no silent E. No, E's not hopping over. It's just there. C-O-M-E says come. So we had part, may, and come. Let's get our paper ready for our sentence with cops. Which punctuation? Period, a question mark, or an exclamation point? We'll just listen to my sentence. I can skip faster than you. Let's count. I can skip faster than you. 6 words. Start with our uppercase. I can. Now let's look at skip. Skip. 4 sounds, but what kind of sk is it? Is it a C or SK? Well, I hear the I. I is I. That's a stick vowel. So we go with the stick K. Because our K has a lot of sticks. We hear this. The stick vowel of I, sk, ip. So it tells us to use the SK. I can skip faster. So let's do our base word fast. Fast first. And then we'll add our vowel suffix. Fast. We're comparing to. It's more fast than the other. I can skip faster than. And. It's got that word and in it. Than you. No, I'm just telling you I can skip faster than you. So it's a telling sentence. I can skip faster than you. I'm just telling you that. Let's count our words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. I can skip faster than you. Good job today, boys and girls.